Good morning. This is Singing Timberwolf. It is July 26, 2023, and the time is 6:18 a.m. I'm out here at the Mogadore Reservoir. I call this area Research Charley. I use the phonetic alphabet that I go to different areas out at the Mogadore Reservoir, so I call this Research Charley. It's off of Landsinger Road, out there between Suffield and Mogadore, and off to the let's see, would it be the north would be Brimfield Township. But I am just about ready to start this journey to my car, and I thought I would take you along the way. So I'm going to try to be quiet now and start my journey. This is on a private road, and I have to go a distance up this private road to a fence where I'll go through, and then I'll make it to my car. So here we go. It's a little hard starting. I'm going up a hill right now, a little grade, but it's not too bad. And my camera might get a little jarry as I'm going over the cobbles here, or little stones, in this private road. And off to the left is the Mogadore Reservoir. It goes down a little embankment down there, down a little hill. And then off to the right here is the valley. And that's a posted no trespassing sign, but that means that no trespassing in those woods off to the right there. It'd be crazy for anybody to go down there anyhow. This road's on top of everything from the valley down to the Mogadore Reservoir, so I'm right on top, so it's good for recordings and stuff. And by the ways, I am in a wheelchair, which makes things kind of difficult, but I'm managing. I am managing. I always do. I always take myself to great lengths here, because I'm 80% in a wheelchair. Maybe even more. Life hasn't been all that easy for me. Remember a grade going up coming in, now I have a grade going out. It's a little rough. Put it up a little higher. You can see the lush growth and everything around. It's beautiful out here, but yet so dark. Oh my gosh. I'm almost going off the road, off the private road. Here I'm in the middle now, where I should be. I hope I get down, start going down the hill here soon. Mosquitoes are bad out here this morning. I think I'm on top of the grade now, so things should start getting easier for me. Ugh, no break here. I'm hoping one of these days, once I get a research partner out here, or someone to come out, it would be nice to take the whole route of this private road. It goes all the way down, the hill a little bit, then it goes off to the right, and it eventually dead ends at the Mogadore Reservoir, out the old docks. People used to go fishing here, and you could drive through here all night long, but the city or township stopped that, unfortunately, so it makes it really tough, and it's a little bit more dangerous for me doing this, but I love doing it, so I will continue to do it regardless of my handicap. Okay, I'm going to turn around now, and I'm starting to go down the grade, and soon we'll be coming up on the fence. Starting to go good now. A little jarry though, with the bumps. Wish the road was a little bit more paved, but I'm managing. Watch I don't go off to the right now, because it's a rather drop off there, and if I drop off there, I'm in some serious trouble. I wouldn't be able to get out of there. Reason it's getting harder to do this. I'm going to continue to go turn back around maybe and kick with my foot. Quite a bit of trees down there, falling down. Turn it back around again. Still a pretty good drop off down there. There's a lot of driftwood and fallen trees down there. Yeah, so it's rather wild down there. Yeah. Continuing on. I'm in 11 minutes of this video. I wish you could see how I can see this, but it goes all the way down there, and you can see a little bit of the brightness is down to the Mogadore Reservoir. Yeah, all the way down there. Something. It's beautiful out here. Yeah. I used to come out here all the time and drive my car through here and be out all night. Saw some wild, heard some wild things out here. Spooky at times. Okay, I'm going to turn around again. This journey is almost over. Just a couple more minutes. And then I'll be about where my car's at. So I can go home and rest. I've been up all night out here last night. I fell asleep for maybe an hour or two. And I ended up having some wild dreams out here. Yeah. I had a dream about meeting up with a Great Dane dog in a place called No Man's Land. Rock croppings all around. It was desolate, but kind of beautiful in its own way. I think the rock croppings were made by man at one point and was abandoned. Oh gosh, the hill right here. Oh, I think up to the fence. Let me turn around. Okay. This is the fence. The wonderful fence that keeps me away from driving my car back here. And over there is my car. And in the parking lot. I don't like doing this. But I'm not happy the fence is here, that I can't drive back here anymore. Where the car used to be my safety net. If things would ever get hairy, I could get in my car right away. I don't have that option anymore. Nope, unfortunately. Bad people used to come back here, and there was crazy parties going on out here, prostitution and people doing drugs and just about everything, you know, they're not supposed to be doing out there, and having fires out here, and yeah, people like that just gotta ruin things for other people. You can't enjoy being able to drive back here. And it's a very, very beautiful place back here. It's just right off of Lansinger Road out here in Portage County, Ohio. Yeah, I call the area Research Charley. I love it out here, but it's tough to get out here anymore. And actually, I much need a research partner to bring all my stuff out here. I used to could sit out here at my work table and take journal notes all night. That's what I used to do. Well, anyhow, I'm going to end this video. I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes as I speak right now, so yeah, I'm going to end this video, put it on YouTube, and I hope everybody gets a chance to watch it. This is my journey. Yep. This is Singing Timberwolf. Over and out. Bye.